Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download CS2 on your PC or laptop. So CS2 just recently came out, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it in this video today. But first, you need to make sure that you have Steam, so go ahead and search for the Steam download, and then go ahead and download it from the official Steam store. So store.steampower.com/about/ and then just click install Steam. So go ahead and do that, and once you have it installed, you can go ahead and create an account for it, log in, do whatever you need to do. And once you're on your account here, you're going to want to go ahead and search for CS2. So search for it. You can also search Counter-Strike 2, it doesn't really matter. But as you can see, once you open it up, you're going to be brought to the Counter-Strike 2 page, and here, if you scroll down a tiny bit, you can find the option to play game and add to library. So you can do either one, it'll add it to your library anyway, but go ahead and add it to your library. And if you head over to your library, then it gives you the option to install CS2 on your computer. So you just have to go ahead and install that. It is 33 gigabytes, but that is how you can install it. Once it's finished, you can go ahead and play it. If you had CSGO previously, then you can just update CSGO and it'll become Counter-Strike 2. But that is how you get Counter-Strike 2 on your PC or laptop. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.